Hi everybody, how are you? Uh, for many requests from our member that they want me to summary market every day. Hey man, sorry, I don't have time to do that. Uh, to summary every week, right? Possible. It's possible for me to do for our member, but just for the guideline because uh, this summer market summary, right? That I do it for now until I'm not sure I will continue to do uh, only one shot and no more or continue. It depends on my time. That means if you want to apply this market summary, you should learn ARTT, and plus you should pass examination minimum level 1. Remembering, if you didn't ARTT member and you didn't pass examination, don't try to analyze or continue this market summary because you may file it have some error for you. Okay, shall we start? First of all, I just want to start with FBMKL. Okay, because FBMKL is quite interesting for now. Okay. Last year I already talked and public my opinion about FBMKL that have chance to run away up to 2,200. Okay, now it's rebound from 1,700 that day until nearly 1,900, but still have 300 points to go. Now we zoom in this part. Okay, I start from this part. This part, right, for ARTT, this is uptrend based on Dow theory. And if we try to apply this methodology, okay, in this case, right, let me draw something to refine. Okay, now if we apply Fibonacci, Fibonacci said this rebound is significant. Significant is mean buyer is aggressive enough to drive market up. One more round. Buyer is aggressive enough to drive market up. Okay, that means we consider this. Okay, in this case, right, is show you about market still have chance to move up based on this. Okay, in this chart area, day chart from FVMKL, it show you the signal for buyer is still strong, but seller also quite aggressive. All right, that means this rebound it still have chance to rebound, but not easy. This have chance to rebound, but not easy because seller quite aggressive. Signal from head of gangster it show seller is quite aggressive. They will fight together for a few times. That means if you want to invest or speculate, you should take care your money management. Don't push money too much in the market for this situation. But you can still buy low and sell high is okay. But for trend trading or buy when market already move up is quite risky for newbie. Okay. In another case, right, if we focus on FCPO, I mentioned about day chart. Okay. Let me show you some idea. Okay. If we zoom in this part, okay, zoom in, I delete it. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay, zoom out. Now, right, I'm trying to use simple trend line to predict market at the bottom around here, 2100 something. This is just a guideline. For now, right? For now, if we zoom in this part already tell you FCPO is still downtrend because they make lower low and lower high. But your question you should ask yourself, this downtrend is strong or weak? This downtrend is strong or weak? Because for today, right, we already estimate support that we estimate is around let me show you, it's around here at the morning. If you follow my Facebook, it's around 2300 something price at the morning, and price move nearly our support and a little bit rebound. In this case, right, because of heads of gangster at third floor, that means this rebound maybe rebound not much. After that, market still have chance to move down again. If you zoom in this part it already show downtrend. Downtrend is mean the good strategy for FCPO is mean looking for sell when market rebound, but you should consider and mix all signal together. Okay. Now we come back to Thai index. Thai index day chart. If you follow our Facebook, I already told you few days ago, right? When Thai index start rebound, we said Thai index have chance to move lower than 1758. You just come back to see my Facebook. Okay. Now they rebound first and move down here. We will not consider to buy on this situation. From my opinion, this is my opinion. Okay. We will looking for signal to buy in case got pattern. In case got pattern after Thai index move lower than 1758. Okay, this is we apply God pattern. If you don't know God pattern, do not follow. Okay, now come back to oil. Now chart show crude oil. All right, crude oil now is try to move up and show you about some retracement here. Okay, for me, right, I will not buy crude oil for now. I will wait around here. Here is around 55 US dollar, because this is look like support and synchronize with our minority retrace. Okay, around 55. Or now I will not touch or want to buy for oil until they move in this area, in this zone. Okay. For gold future or gold, gold, right, will break above this high, 1364 soon. Soon they will break above. After break above, we will apply continuation pattern to follow. They still break above and run away, or break above and retrace again. But if you are a speculator, right, I want you to monitor, because they still have chance to break above this point. Come back to Hang Seng Index. Wow, this is very good. For Hang Seng Index, right, they show strong trend for uptrend for day chart. That means they still have chance to move up. Target that we predict for intermediate term is higher than 33,494 point. This is a target for Hang Seng Index. Come back to Shanghai. Shanghai it show got pattern now. Okay, if you don't learn ARTT, don't apply. But if you already learn, right, or you know basic knowledge, you will see you can compare Shanghai A with Thai index. Okay, Thai index also looking for buy under got pattern. Shanghai also same. Shanghai still have chance to move up. My long-term target is higher than 5,430 point. Okay, this is long-term. Don't ask me how long. I don't know. And for Nasdaq is, if you monitor this market, Nasdaq is moved same as Shanghai or Hang Seng. That means they still have chance to move up. For who already trade in US market, right, you just buy when market retrace. Apply your own knowledge to looking for the support and buy at support, and don't forget to put stop loss, because now all market is moved sideways. Sideways is difficult to trade. If you want to trade for this situation, if you are newbie, I'm not suggest you to buy or sell stock. If you are experienced trader, it's up to you, because you already have experience. Now market is very difficult to trade. Don't forget, if you are newbie, right, it's difficult for you to make money. If you are experienced trader, it's up to you, because you already have experience. Nobody can notice you. You just apply your experience and your own knowledge to entry and exit based on your own methodology. This is my summary for this weekend. Hope all of our members and all traders, right, try to practice and work hard to become success trader in future. Thank you very much to follow. See you next time.